folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I'm going to do a baking video. This is the J.A. Roby Chief Stove. This could actually also be like similar to the Elda because we have the backsplash and the warming oven removed due to our chimney system. So this model is going to have the water reservoir on it, okay? But there's 6 different models essentially that are all going to function and operate the same way. This is the J.A. Roby EPA Cookstove line. So today we're gonna do a little bit of baking. My fire is pretty low actually because I'm going to be baking cookies which bake at like 350. So I started the fire earlier today because it was pretty cold and just kind of let the fire die out to keep that temperature. So I'm going to give you guys some oven readings. So right now my temperature in my oven is saying like 315 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys some more accurate measurements. Rear of the oven is 110. Right hand side 237. And the left hand side is going to be 249. So pretty good oven temperature as far as range goes. Bottom of the oven's at 220 degrees. So actually, now I know my oven's not quite hot enough to bake some cookies. So after I bake cookies, well, before I can bake my cookies, I actually need to get my fire going a little bit more. So I'm gonna add some wood to it. Your damper control is located at the bottom, right down here. So I do have it pulled out all the way, but it looks like I need to add a little bit more wood to the fire. All right, guys, so today I'm going to be cooking peanut butter cookies. These are actually flourless peanut butter cookies, so they're gluten-free. Basically the gist of the recipe is peanut butter, a lot of sugar, and a little bit of egg. So my oven is now up to temperature 350 degrees. These cookies like take 8 to 9 minutes to cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in. Here's one thing I'll say. So J.A. Roby just comes with one oven rack. It's really nice if you're cooking for, you know, like more than 1 or 2 to be able to put 2 trays of cookies inside the oven. So I do recommend purchasing the extra oven rack for this reason. All right, let's see how they turn out. All right, 10 minutes is up. So I'm going to pull out my cookies. Wow, they look pretty good. So also you'll notice I've got more of a hot fire going now because I'm going to sear up some lamb on the cooktop, so I'm really trying to get the stove as hot as possible. All right, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed our cooking and baking videos on the J.A. Roby Cookstoves. I get a lot of questions about like temperature readings and how it is to cook and bake. So I hope you guys really enjoy seeing this before you decide to make a purchase. If you have any questions about Cookstoves, don't hesitate to reach out. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like them, share them with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for all of our latest videos. Check us out on social media as well. We have a pretty awesome Facebook page going. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.